Hi, Steve Hughes of Hands on Physics Education, and I'm down at Dole's Rocks. This is the estuary of the North Pine River. Brisbane's about 20 kilometres that way, and Redcliffe over there, and behind me you see that bridge there, that's the Hornybrook Bridge. So it's pretty exciting. It's the 31st of August 2023, and tonight is the night of a super blue moon. So we're just on moonrise, and there you can see it coming up. So it really does look bigger than normal. It's got that red tint to it, that's the sunset effect, and so because the light is coming through more of the atmosphere, we've got more scattering of the blue light, leaving the red behind. So this is quite an amazing sight. You can see it behind me rising up, this giant golden orb. So let's discuss exactly what a super blue moon is. Well, as its name implies, it's a supermoon, so that's when the moon is at a close point to the Earth. We saw one a month ago on the 1st of August, and at the moment the moon's 357,500 kilometres from the Earth. At midnight it will be 352,300 at the closest point, and then by 6 o'clock tomorrow morning it'll be back where it is about now. So about midnight it's going to be at the closest point. So that's a super moon. Now the blue moon, well, one definition, a more modern definition, is that it's when we've got two full moons in one calendar month. Now the sidereal month, that's the time between full moons, is 29.5 days, so that will fit into every month, or can just fit into every month, apart from February, which has either 29 or 28 days. Now, because we've got two full moons in 1 month, on the 1st of August and the 31st of August, then that's a blue moon by the modern definition. There's an older definition, which is it's the third full moon in a sequence of four full moons in an astronomical season. Now we're in astronomical winter down here at the southern hemisphere at the moment, which goes from the 22nd of June, that's the winter solstice, to the 22nd of September, which is the spring equinox. Now the first full moon was on the 3rd of July, the second on the 1st of August, there's a video on that one, then today, and then on the 29th of September, which is after the end of astronomical winter and into the astronomical spring. So maybe we should call this half a blue moon. The moon's now gone behind the clouds, so I've got the video just at the right moment. There's quite a bit of storm activity around. See the clouds there over Brisbane. I've seen some flashing lightning. So as you can see, the moon is just emerging from the clouds, and just up above the moon to the left is a star, which actually is the planet Saturn. When you look carefully, you can see planets don't twinkle like stars, which is an indication that we have got a planet. Saturn is currently 1.3 billion kilometres away from the Earth, and just to put that into perspective, if we were to travel there at 1,000 kilometres per hour, it would take us 148 years to get there. So just some idea of the sheer scale of the solar system, let alone the distances to the stars.